without a doubt. I mean, he should. He should. I mean, the words that he uttered against our First Lady are totally uncalled for. He should. So, I don't only demand it, but I think out of common courtesy and basic human nature, I think he should.
As a matter of fact, stricto nga tayo dyan because meron tayong batas laban sa kaharasan against women and children. Hindi po sila sinasampal, minamahal po sila.
I may not be in a position to demand an apology because hindi naman ako yung alluded to. But I think in behalf of all the women that we love, I think all of us should demand an apology from this person. Because never should it be acceptable in furtherance of political rhetoric to allude to violence against women. Lahat naman tayo, may nanay, we have sisters, some of us have daughters. And the question is, do we ngayon, ang lipunan po natin, acceptable na po ba ang ganitong pananalita? Is that what we have come down to?
Sa atin ngayon, ano, sa society natin, hindi naman katanggap-tanggap yung kabasusan ng bibig, no? Talagang tama nga ang sinasabi ng aking mga kasama na ang babae minamahal at hindi sinasaktan. So, unsolicited advice, no? Sana bago tayo nagbibitiw ng mga gatong salita, sana pinag-iisipan muna natin mabuti. Dahil katulad nga ng sinasabi natin, hindi lang narinig din ng mga kabataan yung mga sinasabi natin at sana maging mabuting ehemplo tayo sa ating mga mamamayan.